How to verify email on Discord mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just open up your Discord application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then after logging into your account, you can just tap on the use section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now select account over here. After selecting an account, you just have to tap on email. Now you just have to mention the email that you want to associate with this application. Then tap on change email. Now you just have to enter your password over here. Then tap on done. Now after tapping on your password, you'll be asked to confirm your new email. So just have a tap on OK. And after tapping on OK, it will send a verification code to your email ID that you have recently associated with in the application. So just go to the Gmail application and email ID over here. So here you'll be able to see the notification of verify email address for Discord. Tap on that. There you just have to tap on verify email. And after tapping on verify email, it will start to verify. You just have to wait for a little bit so that it gets verified, and after verifying it will give you this notification like email verified. So you just have to tap on continue to Discord, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.